Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Welcome to the channel if you are new. If you have been here before, it's wonderful to see you again. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, please, so you can support my channel and get notifications of when things are happening. I'll be going live more randomly besides my Tuesday nights and lots of giveaways and Beauties in the Beat and all kinds of stuff that we've got going on here. So please support me. Yay! And this is Valentine's week and I got a special Too Faced palette and it's called Be My Lover. Ooh, will you be my lover? You're an eyeshadow palette. Mwah! It is an 8 shadow pan. And it is lightly scented like roses. Very lightly scented. I wish it was a little stronger because I love the smell of roses. But it's lightly scented. And we're going to do some swatches. And there are colors, names on the back, but it's so tiny. Even with glasses, it'd be hard. But let's just get in here. And this is just a real sweet color story. They feel a little stiff. But they're showing up just like a champ. So I can't complain about that. But maybe I will. And I've done another look with another one of these size palettes. Let me get that again. That's My Jam. Ooh, and this last one's kind of a duochrome almost. And this is a great shimmer. And this is going to make a very pretty look for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are going to have a great Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine, I'll be your Valentine. X's and O's for everybody. Hugs and kisses. Love, love, love. I just love this time of year because it is the high point of the suckiest month of the year. February is the worst. I'm going to go in here in the second color for my crease. There's a beautiful kind of dusty rose. It's going on pretty good. It's blending out nicely. But yeah, February in Kentucky is the grayest, wettest. It's even worse than March because at least March you start getting little bits of spring. But February is just gray and wet. Wet and gray. And not in a good way. That makes a superb base for our look today. I think I'm going to go on the outside of this eye with this. Let me see how this purple goes on the outside corner. It's so pretty. It's very plummy. And then it's super pretty. And this is just looking really awesome so far. And I really am enjoying these Sonia G brushes. They really make everything go on just like a little dream. Now I'm going to go into this hot pink color. This little pencil brush. This is getting really cute. I'm going to go into this lavender color. And that is so pretty. I need to go under my brow bone. Why do I always forget under my brow bone? I don't know. But I do it all the time. I'm going to go under my brow bone with this little peach color. And that looks super cute. And this looks like it needs a little blending. And this is just a really super sweet Valentine's look. And let's do some eyeliner. And we're going to use the Stila eyeliner, which is the Stay All Day. I wanted to say Slay All Day. Does it say Slay or Stay? Stay All Day. Oh, it's super cute. And I'm going to use something from my BoxyCharm box. I'm going to use the lash primer from KVD. And it's supposed to curl the lashes. Now I'm going to use the KVD Go Big or Go Home mascara. Wow, it is great with this primer. Oh, it's so dynamic. Such a pretty look. And I'm going to definitely go for a beautiful pink lipstick. And I am going with Rose Madder from Jeffree Star. And here we have it, a beautiful Valentine's Day look with Too Faced Be My Lover palette. And it is super cute, and I like it so much. Have a great day or a day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.